Hi guys! I was noticing as I was walking around that all of you seem to be super good at analyzing your characters. I think you're now ready to use what you know about those characters to help you find the theme of the story. So today, we're going to find the theme of a story by looking at the actions of our characters. We're doing this because authors use characters as well as other story elements to help develop the theme. I picked an article for us today. It's a short story called Another One Bites the Dust, and I am going to teach you how to find the theme of this story by looking at the actions of the characters in it. We're doing this because authors use those characters to help develop theme. Watch me as I read. I'm going to pay close attention to what my characters are doing. And then I'm going to use those actions that I identified to help me figure out the theme. Another One Bites the Dust. Show and tell was a mandatory part of class when I was in 4th grade. I can't even tell you how annoying it was. My house, when I was growing up, was a square box with small windows and yellow chipped paint. I wore clothing that my cousins had grown out of, or that my mother bought at discount stores. I had a few toys, but nothing shiny or electronic. I never went on vacations except to Cincinnati and Harrisburg, Pennsylvania one time. All of that is to say I never had anything fun for show and tell. So I used my turns to show off something I found while throwing rocks at cars from the train trestle near my house, which typically got me a look from the teacher, and sometimes a phone call home. So I'm noticing already a lot of things about my character. I can tell that she might not come from a family that has a ton of money. She has to wear hand-me-down clothes and doesn't have a lot of toys, doesn't go on a lot of vacations. But something I noticed that she does, she acknowledges that she throws rocks at cars sometimes, which I think is an important action to take note of. So I'm going to write this down on my tool. Throws rocks at cars, because I think this action might help me in the end figure out the theme. I would have to keep reading though, because one action is not enough to help me learn the theme. So I would continue to read, paying close attention to what my characters are doing, and at the end I can analyze those characters to find the theme.